In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Joy-Cons to your Nintendo Switch. So if you have new Joy-Cons that you're trying to pair to your console, or Joy-Cons that your friends have brought over that you're trying to connect, the easiest way is to just connect them directly into the console. And then once they're connected, they're automatically synced. So you can take them off and then start using them on the console. But if you're sitting down and you have it connected into a dock and you're just trying to connect them remotely, then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the controllers section, and then we're going to go to change grip order. So select change grip order, and this means it's going to be searching for controllers. So then you take the Joy-Con you're trying to connect, and there's this button at the top. This enables it to be paired. So press and hold that button, and then after a few seconds, it'll automatically sync to the console that is looking to be paired. So now you can see it said paired on the Nintendo Switch. So we're just going to press those top S, L, and RL buttons, and then now it's connected. So that are the two easy ways to connect Joy-Cons to your Nintendo Switch. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.